right, guys, the time is here. Fall home tour of 2024. I have added some very luxe looks in some of my spaces, and I've added some very cozy and very calm vibes in others. So if you're interested in what I have done, get your coffee, your tea, a snack, sit back and relax. I have done all the work and I am here to share my home with you as I welcome you into my home tour of 2024, where we will be providing luxe, relaxing, cozy, warm vibes in the home. My last stop was here. So being that my last stop was here at the dining room table, the Tablescape, it will be your last stop. Although I may share with you the outdoors, for those of you that did not see that video, I may add a few clips to that. So stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your lovely host here, Gigi Faison, and I welcome you into my home once again. Today's video is going to be, I will be finishing up the family room and sharing my home tour. I've been playing around, not sure what I want to do. Not 100% sure of what I want to do in this space. I know I want to change out over here in the entertainment center. I've been playing around with some books. I think I want to add some of these books back up there. In here, I want to change out my pillows. I have some pillow coverings. These are some that I purchased from Amazon. So these are the covers, if you can see that. But this is what it looks like. It's absolutely beautiful. I have it also in this pattern also in the blue and white and the yellow I've had. So the yellow and the blue white I've had for a while. So I'm going to, I think, change all of these out. I have a throw, and I purchased this one from the Pottery Barn, and it is absolutely beautiful. You can just take a look at that throw. So here, guys, I have started taking down some of the decor pieces. Not sure if I'm going to put these items back or replace them with something different. Haven't quite made up my mind yet, but I needed to get this part done before I can bring you in for the home tour. So I wanted to just bring you along with you and just let you see how I got to the reveal part. So here I'm just going to give you a view around just so you can see the before and what I'm working with, and then I will start back cleaning, decorating, and I promise you I will get to that home tour.
Just be honest, I've been in my head. Reinforce my walls with all these hypotheticals. When it comes to you, no one really compares. But I'm scared and I'm nervous. I don't wanna get hurt anymore. I don't want nobody else. You know that you run as hell. I get ahead of myself. Finishing races and never beginning up. I don't want nobody else. You know that you run as hell. I get ahead of myself. Keep on telling myself, don't rush, it's a little crush. Don't need to worry about it, don't need to figure it out. Don't rush. I'm taking it to clear my doubts. Cleared out all the clutter, I'm no longer seeing clouds. Yeah, you deserve much better. You deserve much better. And I deserve a chance at new love. I don't want nobody else. You know that you're gonna tell. I got ahead of myself. Finishing races will never begin now. I don't want nobody else. You know that you're fun as hell. I get ahead of myself. Keep on telling myself, don't rush, crush, don't worry about it. No need to figure it out. Don't rush, a little crush, just let go. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush, a little crush, don't worry about it. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush, a little crush, just let go. Don't need to figure it out.
Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and share with you my home tour for 2024. Hope you will enjoy it. Continue to watch and enjoy the music.
Now don't rush, it's a little crush.
Okay, guys, we have made our way back to the family room. You saw me earlier trying to figure out what to do in here. Well, I have decided, and this is the reveal of the family room. That mantle styling, man, I love what I've created here. All in using a pool noodle, and this swag and garland is absolutely perfect. The rest of the space, I've made it cozy, luxurious looking, and very vibrant, using these tones of greens and yellows and multiple colors throughout the space. Guys, please let me know what you think of the reveal of the family room. Now, after this room here, we will go over to the dining room where I have created a beautiful tablescape, and then I will take you on the outside to get a view of the outside look. So guys, if you're new to the channel, I welcome you and I thank you so much for stopping by. I would love for you to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment in the comment section once you're all done with the video. Share it out if you like. I would greatly appreciate all of the views and the new family members. Thank you guys so very much. Thumbs up, comment in the comment section, and subscribe if you are new to the channel. Be blessed and hope to see you guys real soon.
눈 뜨면 눈부신 아침 햇살과 모닝콜로 너와 시작하는 하루, 마치 내 인생의 포커스가 지금에 맞춰진 걸까. 따뜻한 모닝커피의 향기가 오늘 하루도 날 기대하게 만드는 걸. 우리 오늘 좋았어 너도 좋았어 내일은 또 어떤 곳을 너와 함께 가볼까 너와 함께 먹고 싶었던 명동 길거리 음식 내일 그걸 먹으러 가볼까 너와 마주 앉은 지금이 난 좋아 너의 마음도 알 것 같아 모두
Alright guys, I hope you have enjoyed my home tour. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. I would love to have you as part of the family. And leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think. Alright, be blessed. Take care. Until the next video, I am your host, Gigi Faison. And guys, we can start with the Christmas decor. Alright, see you soon.
눈 뜨면 눈부신 아침 햇살과 모닝콜로 너와 시작하는 하루 마치 내 인생